Hi, I'm Ashikur Rahman. Welcome back to my channel Accounting Celebrity. In this lesson, I'll explain you the differences between accounting and bookkeeping. So let's get started. Okay, look at the first point. Accounting is concerned with recording, classifying, and summarizing of financial data. Okay, so what is financial data? Like all the transitions of the business are financial data. Okay, so each and every day, so many transactions happen in business. So first of all, these transitions will be recorded, and then those will be classified, and finally summarized. Will be summarized by ledgers. Okay, already you know how to prepare ledgers. So in the ledgers, the transitions will be summarized. Okay, so this process is actually accounting. Okay, so whereas the bookkeeping is an art of recording financial transaction in a systematic manner. Okay, so here all the transitions will be recorded, means the process of recording. Okay, the way of recording the transactions of a business will be the bookkeeping. Okay, so what is number 2 here? Accounting is not only concerned with bookkeeping but also preparation of financial statements. So what does this financial statement mean? Like financial statement means the profit and loss account and the balance sheet. So you know the main objective of a business is to make profit. Okay, so accounting prepares this financial statement, okay, to know whether business makes profit or loss. The another part of financial statement, which is a statement of financial position. So in the balance sheet, business is able to know the total assets of the business and the liability of the business. Okay, so here bookkeeping forms the basis for preparing financial statements. With the data of bookkeeping, the accountant preparing different types of account. Okay, and the financial statement is one of them. Okay, so what is number 3 here? It has several branches such as cost accounting, managerial accounting, financial accounting. Okay, there are several branches. When you go to the advanced level, you will understand, you will study. But when you are in bookkeeping, there is no branches. So next we have number 4. It provides information for taking managerial decisions. Okay, so here it does not provide any information for taking managerial decision. Actually, in the bookkeeping, just the primary stage. Okay, all the transitions are just recorded here. So in this stage, there is no way to guess or to prepare any kinds of financial reports. So without financial reports, management cannot decide, okay, for the future of the business. Okay, so look at next to number 5. Accounting is performed by accountants and management. So in every business there is an accounting department. Okay, in that department, basically the accountant, accounts executives, account managers, directors, these people work to prepare the accounting report. Okay, so here bookkeeping is performed by clerk. Okay, So to keep the records of the transactions of a business, that skilled people is not required. Okay, so anybody can record the financial transaction of the business. So basically the clerk can maintain the bookkeeping records. Okay, can perform bookkeeping work in the business. Okay, so let us see the last one. It provides information about the final results of the business. Information about the final result of the business. What does it mean? Final result. What is the final result of the business? Final result is to know that whether business made profit or loss. Even statement of financial position, which is also called a balance sheet, can show the assets of the business and the liability of the business. Okay, so final result, it provides information, and when financial reports are prepared, then business can compare its performance with the previous year or with the another business of same class. Okay, so here it provides the primary information to the business. Okay, so like in the bookkeeping, just recorded, like financial transactions are recorded. Okay, so here business cannot get any information. Okay, just how many transactions are made in a day or in a week or in a month, or the value of transaction, like if business is selling goods, so how much is sold in first day or second day, or first week or second week. Okay, this type of information business will be able to collect from the bookkeeping. Okay, so this is all about today's lesson, the differences between accounting and bookkeeping. I hope you understood and enjoyed this lesson, and please subscribe my channel and for more new videos. There are so many videos in my channel, so you can check out. And if you think that this video is helpful for you, please share with your friends. Okay, they will be also benefited. And that's all for today. Stay safe, take care, see you soon, bye bye.